Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a great day today. My name is Ian Sullivan.
Hi friends, I'm Sarah.
And we're going to be starting this YouTube channel called Uphill and Onward. We are going to be making videos of us hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, anything outdoors and anything in between.
So basically what Ian said, you can expect videos of us going camping, hunting, fishing. Maybe you'll see stuff of like me baking, cooking. Ian wants to try to do some challenges, so maybe you guys can list some challenges he can do in the comments. As well as you'll see our little puppy Chunk, who comes on some of these adventures with us.
Would you like to introduce the monster?
Yeah. This is the monster. His name is Chunk, and he'll be attending some of these adventures with us. Say hi, friends.
He's weird. But I wanted to make this channel because the outdoors has always been very important to me. I enjoy basically everything that we've listed earlier, and I hope to do more in the future. I feel like it has taught me a lot in life and brought me a lot of peace about a lot of things. It's almost like therapy within itself, and I think that's great for everyone. Do you have anything else to add?
To be honest, I really wasn't into the outdoors as much as Ian was. I never went hiking, I've never been camping, I've never been fishing, hunting. But yeah, it wasn't until I met Ian, he took me on my first hike, that I literally fell in love. Like I love the outdoors, but not until you actually go out into the outdoors, you know, and you actually go and see nature. It really is beautiful and therapeutic, like Ian says, you know. And camping. He took me on my first camping trip, and I wanted to go on more. So here we are, guys.
Yeah, I hope this is that push for anyone watching this who hasn't gone or has been putting off going to find the time and make the effort, because it really is that important and that much of a positive thing in life. So I hope to see you guys on our first adventure that we will be posting soon. And until then, uphill and onward.
Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this with your family and friends, and we'll see you guys on all of our adventures.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Ian Sullivan.
Hi friends, I'm Sarah.
And we're going to be starting this YouTube video. Oh boy.
Okay, go ahead.